And our region is experiencing severe weather right now. Storm Track 3 meteorologist Katie Melvin is back with us. And Katie, you and the whole weather team have a lot going on right now.
Yeah, it's been a busy evening. We expect it to pretty much stick around with us until really early tomorrow morning, unfortunately. And the big thing is a lot of people are asleep right now, and they're going to be when this is really passing through. So got to be weather aware and got to have some sort of way to get, the information, especially since a lot of this is just coming in recently. And now, like right now on radar, we are already getting another watch and warning for the area. Now, this is not our area, but this is right up next to us. This is a severe thunderstorm warning, so we are keeping an eye on this right now. But we do expect conditions to continue to change up until really early tomorrow morning. So definitely got to stay weather aware and have some sort of a way to get alerts, especially loud in the middle of the night if you're sound asleep. So tonight we are tracking some strong to severe storms across the entire area. The timing is a little different for everyone, but the threat is definitely there going into tomorrow morning. It is still going to be an issue until very early at 5, 6 a.m. And then tomorrow night, afternoon, it'll finally kind of get out of the area, and we're really going to be watching just a lot of clouds and still some pretty windy conditions. So what is causing all of this rain? Well, this map does a really good job at showing us. You can see different temperatures across the Midwest over all the way to the Mid-Atlantic. So Nashville right now is 72, but Chicago is 39. That's because there is a low pressure system over our area with an extending cold front, and that cold front, you can probably definitely guess where it is on this map. So that is what's causing a lot of lift and a lot of issues that we have been tracking. So this is right now 10 p.m. We've got cloud cover across much of the area and a lot of scary colors on our radar right now, lots of bright colors, but we do expect to continue to keep moving through the area. So this is midnight, still an issue. Like I said, this is going to happen in the middle of the night, overnight. The low will move off to the northeast. Here's that extended cold front. So not only will it be dropping our temperatures, but it's bringing a lot of this heavy precipitation. So flooding is definitely an issue, as well as winds for a lot of us. Letting this play through the morning. This is 4 a.m. Still an issue. It is just kind of slow moving across our area, and it's really covering everybody. 6 a.m. It's kind of starting to move off. The worst of it's kind of off to our east, but still a lot of cloud cover across the area, and even some snow way off to our north, just north of St. Louis. So watching through Monday morning, it'll finally be out of our way around 9 to 11 a.m., but it will leave a lot of clouds and a lot of rain behind with it. This is rainfall potential. This is just one model. This is just the GFS, what it's showing us, and we could see close to 2 inches in some areas, which may not seem like a lot, but when you're getting 2 inches in a really short amount of time, that can cause some flooding issues. The Storm Prediction Center does have us under a severe threat right now. We've got slight for most of our area and then marginal down for southeastern Missouri. So earlier today, we were watching a chance and tracking some tornadoes. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has this area under a 3 because of that reason. Now for Illinois and for Kentucky, we're kind of just watching the chance of heavy rain as well as straight line winds, which is still definitely an issue. So storm threats overall for tonight, tornadoes are definitely a possibility. 1 or 2 brief spin-ups is definitely something that could happen. Hail, not really too much of a concern, but flooding and winds, that's what we're really watching. So the flood threat right now is pretty much medium across the entire area. So tomorrow morning on your way to work, on your way to school, there might be some road closures. We might have some flooding issues, and it's definitely something you're going to want to keep an eye on. Now, we do still have a tornado watch for some of the area. This was through 8 p.m. They just extended it to 2 a.m. This is mostly for our Missouri counties, but we are still keeping an eye on this. And most of us are under a flood watch right now. So also just something to be concerned about and to watch into tonight into tomorrow morning. As always, you can download the Storm Track 3 app. Like I said, this is an overnight system, and you need to find some sort of way to be able to get information in case the worst does happen. You're going to want to be able to wake up in the middle of the night and hear that. So looking ahead, you can see there's our chance of rain tomorrow. That's just mostly in the really early morning hours. We finally dry out for a little while. Our temperatures do drop thanks to that cold front. And then in true Midwestern fashion, we will be getting the opposite weather in just a couple of days. We are tracking possibly a chance of rain to snow on Friday, which is pretty hard to believe.
It really has been a roller coaster of temperatures the past couple of weeks, but we are headed more towards spring. So hopefully overall a warm up here coming in the next few weeks.
I hope so.
Thank you so much, Katie.
Thank you.